The term curriculum in the field of education refer to overall program of the school which student experience on a day-to-day basis. At lower classes, playway method of teaching is based on psychological principle of development and growth. Physio psychological principle of development and growth. A young child responds to a new situation on the basis of response made by him or in similar situation as the past is related to law of effect, law of analogy, law of attitudes, law of this is law of effect of learning. This is the option two. Dyslexia is associated with reading disorder. Education of children with the special needs should be provided. Education of children with special need should be provided along with other normal children. Along with other normal children. Education of children with special needs should be provided along with other normal children. 6.1. To make assessment a useful and interesting process, one should be careful about using the variety of way to collect information about the students learning across the scholastics and co-scholastic boundaries. Using a variety of way to collect information about the students learning across the scholastics and co-scholastics boundaries. Next one, what is there? Is not considered a sign of being gifted. Fighting with other is not considered a sign of being gifted. Children actively construct their understanding of the world is a statement attributed to Pignet. Children actively construct their uh, understanding of the world is a statement attributed. Kritika, who does not talk much at home, talk a lot at school. It shows that her thoughts get acknowledged. Her thought gets acknowledged at school. A teacher should make an attempt to understand the potentialities of her his students. Which of the following field is related to the objective? Which of the following field is related to the objective? So, educational psychology. A student should make an attempt to understand the potentialities of the her his students. Which of the following field is related to this objective? Educational psychology. Motivation is the process of learning, create interest for learning among the young learners. Learning can be enriched if a student from the real world are brought into the class in which the students interact with each other and the teacher facilitate. Learning can be enriched if a student from the real world are brought into the class in which students interact with each other and the teacher facilitate. Which of the following statement cannot be considered as feature of the process of the learning? Which of the following statement cannot be considered as feature of process of learning? Educational institutions are the only place where learning takes place. The following cannot be considered. Cannot. Only word is not correct. 14th one, a student V graph with visual deficiency should be treated normally in the classroom and provided support through the audio series. Treated normally in the classroom and provided support through audio series. Which of the following should be considered the most important quality of teacher at primary level? Which of the following should be considered the most important quality of a teacher at primary level? Patience and perseverance. Which of the following should be considered the most important quality of teachers at primary level? Patience and perseverance. So this is our required answer, students.